Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I will show you how you can add yellow basket on TikTok shop. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for you to add a yellow basket on your TikTok shop or TikTok videos, you need to have a TikTok shop or an affiliate account. So once you access your TikTok app, make sure you're logged in with your shopping account or the affiliate account. Then you're going to create yourself a video or another video. You're going to tap on it. Either you're going to create yourself a video or you're going to simply add a video. Once you have that particular video, you're gonna go to the next, and once you're in the posting page, you're gonna go to add link, and here in the shop account you will find a product link section where you will be able to select product, choose your item from the product marketplace, and simply go ahead, tap on post to link the product and enable the basket. Then what you need to do is simply go ahead, post, then the link will appear right over there in the add link section. Tap on post, and there you go, you have added yellow basket on your TikTok shop or your TikTok video on your shopping account like that. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.